Hey guys, it's K Brianna here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I achieved this amazing realistic looking faux pony on my baby fro. Yes, that is not my real hair guys, but with this tutorial no one's ever going to be able to tell. This is my first time ever doing this style. I'm absolutely loving the results. It's probably going to be one of my new go-tos, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. So I have 4C hair, so it's a little hard for me to work with sometimes. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a small ponytail in the middle of my head first. This is going to make it easier for me to create a ponytail with all of my hair. I'm going in with Eco Styler gel, and then I'm also going to be using Got to Be Glued as well. This is my first time using Got to Be Glued, guys. I am absolutely loving it. It really slicks your hair down and it holds it in place. I am obsessed with it. So I'm just going to keep brushing until I get it to the desired smoothness that I like. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around my head and I'm going to go ahead and take out those little ponies and just start fluffing out my hair. You want to make sure your hair is a little stretched out for this if your hair shrinks up like mine does. Like I said, 4C hair, my hair shrinks up like crazy. I'm just combing through with my fingers right now, and I'm going to go back through with that Eco Styler gel, and I'm just smoothing and combing with my fingers, smoothing, getting all those tangles out, and making sure it is ready for this ponytail, and it's going to sit tight and sit right. So I'm just going to repeat the steps that I did with the first ponytail, and I am just going to go in with that Eco Styler and that Got to Be Glue and just keep brushing and smoothing my hair down until I get it as smooth as I want it to be. So my sides are shorter than the rest of my hair, and I was a little lazy with the blow dryer when I was stretching it. So that's one thing I would have done differently. It would have definitely helped my ponytail come out a little easier. Brush, 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 brush. And I'm just going in with a black rubber band. And we're trying to get all of that into that ponytail. And it did not work out the first time, guys. So what I did off camera was I took the front portion of my hair and put it into the ponytail first, and then went and did the back portion of my hair. If you're not good at making a ponytail, that's going to be the easiest way for you, because it definitely was the easiest way for me. So I got a little piece of hair sticking out from the side that just does not want to go in. So I'm just taking a bobby pin and pinning that down. That's okay if that little piece is sticking out up there, because your ponytail is going to go ahead and cover that up. I'm going in with Evian Edge Control. I think that's the right pronunciation of it. This is the only edge control I've ever used that has actually slicked my edges. A coworker of mine actually got me hip to it. So this is where I embarrassed myself in the video. I wanted to try to do baby hairs, and it just did not work out. As you can see, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm still, look at me, I'm serious too. That's my serious face, y'all. And I believed in myself. So we are not going to do the baby hairs because that did not work out. We're just going to lay these edges down. If you know how to do baby hairs, be great, be you, live your best life, but I do not. So I'm just going to take a silk scarf and I'm going to tie that hair down. Y'all know, y'all already know how to do that. Tie it down and tie it tight. I'm also taking my blow dryer and I'm just drying my hair a little bit to go ahead and get that Got To Be Glue and Eco Styler to set and dry up and keep my hair laying down with that 4C hair. You can let it dry naturally if you want, but with my hair thickness, I want to go ahead and dry it as quick as I can so it doesn't poof up. So now I am going to take my beautiful burgundy pony, and it has 2 clips in it and a drawstring to help keep it safe and secure. And we're going to go ahead and get them clips nice in there, and we're going to use that drawstring to pull it tight. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it until you can't take it being pulled no more. I did not have a bobby pin. I just wrapped the string around and tucked it under, and look at she. Who is she? She is me. Yes, she is. Woo, I am so excited about this hairstyle. I absolutely love it. It fits me so well. Yes, I did smooth out them cuckabugs in the back. Don't worry. I got that all smoothed out. So I'm just fluffing it to my desired fluffiness. I cannot believe this turned out so well on the first try. I am loving this. This is definitely going to be my go-to style. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next video. See you later. Bye.